KALIBU and welcome back to my channel. So in today's recipe or video, I'll be sharing with you how I make my Boerewors stew. But I'll be doing it with a twist because I'll be speaking in Bemba. So if you do not understand, I do apologize. However, I thought I might as well do something different. So hapa ndemira nkushafia my ingredients na tukwata sausage, onion na basil. Then mnefa okulamba putura tuma pieces tunono, well not tunono sana, ma chunks fye. Pan tutatui batani, turapera abantu nga baisa, ama big pieces. But nga mnefa tuma putura tunono. And then what follows next is you get importo, then mwabika muna salad. And then mwambo kubika ama sausage pieces mumpoto panono. Elo make sure that the heat is very low. Pantunga mwabika pali high heat. Salad yala mitoro kila onto your skin and then you'll be scalded. So hapa nabika wino. And then nala ileka fe for about 5 minutes until both sides will go brown. E stage beta to browning stage. So today so da fepa no nota ti pia mukati. Therefore I say panse pape brown. After 5 minutes, mwasenda my sausages. No kuyabika muli a Pirates dish or on separate dish. Apa mule mula ndef ni no one by one. Kapan banga mule fa kuma fluk tafe mwafibika multi dish batine na ibako special na imufu na temwafe one by one kafine. Ale mwasenda onion mumpota muna mwachasa rola sausage mwasenda onion nokusalula ama onion no. Nachikonfya onion imo equal to like medium to large size onion. So hapa turefa that onion iwe kwa translucent fida. So hapa ndesa do da fe wino. And then nasa abika more tomato puree. If in there vika ila pela ila nice red color ila dangashma sana. Ela on date with ila family muli pan muna muni. Na konkonya puno ku nokusankanya wino mumpoto. Na muna ile moneka fide wino fero. Na munu nkira mu kitchen mune nasabika muna paprika. Na papata not kulabo kubita paprika. Ida ipanga sauce iwe nice and red. Then nasali kama na curry powder. Na konkonya puna ama Fennel Seeds. Katushinga kutumwa isanga mzambi, but I think kutumwa isanga. But Fennel Seeds are very nice. Nasali kama na ground ginger, but namu kwata fresh ginger. Kutumwa abo mfia fresh ginger. Ako na pa tres sauce kirafi hapa. Munenu kirafi mkitchen kwa tina karimo kashabare sabat ande pikira family and so kuposa kwa man. Kai bali mpaka dati musunge mushain. So hapa nasali kama tu salad pan to the mixture was getting a bit dry. mwakonkanya pono okusankanya bwino. So hapa nasenda nomba canned chopped tomatoes. Tumwabonkyama fresh tomatoes straight from the garden. But kuno yali shupako. So twakwete fe canned tomatoes yo nabonseshe. And then nasabe kama nomba two spice suit. Twali wama two spice suit. Inji bukishafe back in Zambia. So tuna temono kushta Jikelele. Jikelele, yeah, but it's by Robertson's anyway. So na konkanya pana weka mna tumbi kaya muntu ku sauce kila. And nasa senda na thyme. This is a type of herb. Nasa weka mna tunono about 1 teaspoon. And na konkanya pana kusankanya bwino. Kwenda na itinga kusosikira. So hapa nasaba kama tu aromat. Pantu na shakwete salt. So hapa ndebo mfiafe aromat in place of salt. Then mwasako nkanya pole sauce kira fine. Mwasankanya wino. Then nasa senda ground black pepper. Number ground black pepper, be careful. Pantu yali wako hot. So ngumabike fingi. Pantu baramilode shafete na alola system. Fish better to dish. So nasa kama na soy sauce, dark soy sauce, just about a teaspoon. Pantu ndefo color balanced out, not too red, not too dark. And then lastly, one paprika minch. So I mentioned this is boiled water. There we cafe utu no at a time. I wouldn't recommend to put if mench all at once. Pantu panta fiawa mefe ina na iPhone so skani fine. So ngamefo konkeresha kutumba konkeresha. But I would recommend just kula wika fia mench panono. Then fine mulesa nkanya no tumeshi. Panta mwefe fi soup fi kwa tifimeshi fi. Takwava. Kwa tawafundwa. Nomba kumwamona ka supu inemone kafe wino maka very tasty. Kaina sauce kila. Hello ma flavors mudia. Au sure. So parapene turebo atabuata fie. Ilo mwasa wula na sausage ya ine mwachi salula earlier on in mwasa bikam. Pantu taipi the sausage mukatfila as you can see. So mwamba kubika one by one. Pantu nga posa fe mu pani mudia. Iya fiana fe ponse fe all over the stove. After 5 minutes or 10 minutes, supu yenu file mwene kaya tikama wino so ela naripika na tochwa backside hapo na wali and that's all I did for this stew. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.